Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. Ladies and women, today's video is about Pixie haircuts and its various types on you. So, let us begin with our Pixie haircut, ladies and gentlemen. As you know that Pixie has become a fashion today. It has become trendy since 1980 and gives you a stylish, chic and modern look. So ladies and gentlemen, you must opt for these amazing pixie haircut once in a lifetime, but you must consider your face cut, your face shapes, and your face structure before having a pixie cut. For this, you must consult your hairstylist. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how amazing these pixie haircuts are looking. This is a Spanish woman and actress having pixie cut, which demonstrate the beauty and modernness of a woman. This is a longer pixie which have longer hairs on the side. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a classic pixie design and it is a timeless suits and everybody. You can see this short pixie which is a classic having short hairs on the side and longer hair on the top. You can have pixie with the bangs as it look very stylish. Bangs are timeless option for everybody. You can see this is a texture pixie having texture around the head. Ladies and women, look how beautiful and amazing these designs of pixie are looking along with the bangs. You can also highlight your hair into different colors which provide a bold statement. You can also have highlights in your hair. You can see how amazing these designs of pixie are looking. You can have a curly pixie like this one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, pixie is a haircut that suits every kind of woman. It gives you a much younger look. If you are in your 40s or 50s, you must opt for pixie haircut once in a lifetime, as it will completely change the overall look of yours. So these are the stylish pixie having textured layers and bangs and gives a very modern and very bold look to you. Look how amazing these pixie haircuts are. So thank you everyone for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.